Hi everyone, welcome to the course. Today we will be learning all about the tools which we will be using for the development. So there is one tool which is being used by everyone. Okay, you can even use Atom if you want. So open any of the browser and enter Visual Studio Code. You can click on the first link and now you can see that there are three options available over here for Windows, for Linux and for Mac. So I have already installed for Mac, so I'm not installing it, but you can install if you don't have this. Okay, so you can click on this Windows and it will get installed. So now let me show you how it will look. So it will look like something this. So click on it and open it. We are not going to write anything here. So what basically it is IDE, we call it, Integrated Development Environment. So you will click on this extension icon and you will enter HTML boilerplate. Okay, so you can see here's the boilerplate. You can install this boilerplate, the top one. Okay, so what it will do is it will give you a snippet which will help you write the code fast. You don't have to write the code again and again for the snippet. And what it is, snippet, I will explain you in the next lecture. Now, the another one is CSS. Okay, HTML CSS. Now install this. What it will do is it will suggest you and help you to write the code fast. Like if you are using any of the tag, it will auto complete that tag. Okay, the next one is live server. Okay, so what happens, why we are using live server is it will help you to not to go into any particular page and open it again and again. So you can directly come to the VS and you can open it from here. So you can see here is the go live button. You will click on it and it will open it in the web browser. And don't worry if you can't see over here, you can click on the settings icon, open command palette and write over here live server. And with this you will be able to open it. Okay, so these are the three things you need to install. Now rest of the things I will be explaining in the next lecture. Thank you so much everyone. That's all.